Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Let's learn how capacitive wiring of fans is operated in this video. Now we will demonstrate the wiring method of capacitor motor. Capacitor motors, as the name suggests, are motors with capacitors. The capacitors can form a voltage phase difference in the main negative winding to generate a rotating magnetic field. EBM Pepsi capacitor motors use the same capacitor for startup and operation. Take one of the R2E225 series capacitor motors as an example. The yellow and green wires are connected to the ground wire PE. The blue wire is connected to the live wire L. The black wire is connected to the neutral wire N. The black wire and the brown wire are connected to the capacitor. Power supply according to the power parameters specified in the specification sheet. Motor can run. Capacitor motors can achieve speed regulation by connecting capacitors in series. If only capacitor C is connected, the motor will run at full speed. If speed-regulating capacitor C1 or C2 is connected in series to live wire L, the motor will run at reduced speed. It should be noted that series connection of speed-regulating capacitors may cause abnormal noise and excessive temperature rise. In addition, a derivative type of capacitor motor is a tap motor, which can achieve speed regulation by changing the wiring method. Taking one of the R2E140 series as an example, it can achieve full-speed adjustment. The blue wire is connected to the neutral wire N. Connect the capacitor between the brown wire and the yellow wire. Red wire connected to live wire high gear. White wire connected to live wire medium gear. Black wire connected to live wire low speed gear. Gray wire to live wire mute mode. Have you learned it? Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.